A lecture is probably the most common used teaching method, which could be used in a formal or informal environment. According to our textbook, Effective Instructional Strategies, written by Kenneth Moore, lectures are not encouraged for elementary schools. I believe lectures should be used in middle and high schools. If used before these ages, students will have a hard time focusing, which will make it difficult for some students to learn. The use of a lecture is a good way for a teacher to introduce new materials for their students. The use of a lecture is a good way to also excite the students about the material the teacher's getting ready to teach. In order for the lectures to be effective, the teacher needs to make sure the lecture is clear and concise as well as captivating the students' attention. A good way to judge a lecture is how the students respond to the lecture as well. If you notice students are looking preoccupied or even dozing off, these are good signs that your lecture is boring and not effective. I know PowerPoint has a lot of cool animation and visual effects you can use on that for your lecture. And I think one question I would help determine how a lecture is effective is by asking the students after the lecture if they're excited for the new unit. Lectures don't always have to be reading from a PowerPoint or textbook. Lectures can be improved with the use of technology and even hands-on materials such as a skeleton if you're talking about anatomy or the human body, if you're doing like a science topic.